Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best electric scooter reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is the Razor E100 Electric Scooter. Don't want to spend a ton on a kid's scooter, but still want that electric scooter to perform? This electric scooter is a great option, and it offers a good combination of durability and affordability. This scooter is designed with fun in mind, featuring blue LEDs on the deck that light up with a twist of the throttle. The 100-watt, high-torque, single-speed electric motor can reach up to 10 miles per hour at top speed, and the twin rechargeable 12-volt lead-acid batteries give riders up to 40 minutes of continuous riding. The all-steel frame and fork are built for rugged use and can survive all the challenges of playtime. And it's intuitive to control, with a twist grip accelerator and hand-operated brake that's easy for young riders. The only potential drawbacks of this kid-friendly electric scooter are the extensive battery recharge time and its somewhat limited power. This scooter can't handle hills and will struggle if it's ridden uphill. And when the battery is dead, you'll need a full 12 hours to recharge it. Number 2. Our second best pick is Gotrax GXL V2 Commuting Electric Scooter. If you're looking for an electric scooter that can offer everything from decent battery life to good speed to rides long and short, you'll like this commuting electric scooter. Designed for adults, and made with commuters in mind, this powerful and comfortable scooter really delivers. It's powered by a 36-volt 5.2 amp-hour battery and a 250-watt motor with high torque and low power consumption, and you'll be able to travel as far as 12.5 miles on a single charge and hit a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Plus, you'll enjoy comfort on even the bumpiest city streets, thanks to the scooter's 8.5-inch air-filled tires. Your ride will also be equipped with rubberized handle grips, an easy-to-control hand brake, and the ability to fold its frame for easy storage. There are just a few areas in which this electric scooter could be improved. The throttle is pretty sensitive, so even though the scooter offers cruise control, it can be tricky to engage. Additionally, the battery gauge isn't the most accurate, it changes frequently while you ride, and it only shows a couple of bars to provide you with a very rough estimate. Number 3. Our third best pick is Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter. If you're searching for a scooter that won't let bumps or road obstacles get in the way, this model electric scooter is a great option. This model rides on larger than normal wheels, with 10-inch tires, so you can easily roll over anything. Those wheels, which are paired with rear dual shock absorbers, keep you comfortable even on rough surfaces and bumps. In addition to its rubber-covered solid tires, this electric scooter features impressive power thanks to a 500-watt electric brushless motor and can reach a top speed of 19 miles per hour. It'll travel up to 25.6 miles on a single charge, and the double braking system includes both disc and anti-lock regenerative brakes. And if you love smart functionality, the fact that this electric scooter pairs with the Hiboy smartphone app is perfect for customizing your scooter's functionality. The only drawback is that heavier or larger riders can experience slower speeds and shorter battery life. This scooter's performance depends on whoever is riding, so its results can vary. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Segway Ninebot E22 Electric Kick Scooter. This electric scooter may not be as futuristic as the original Segway was meant to be, but it's certainly high-tech and sleek. Plus, it's a whole lot of fun thanks to its innovative design, which is maintenance-free and all about comfort while you ride. Built with 2 lithium-ion batteries and an upgraded motor, it delivers up to 700 watts of power, hits a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour, and can travel up to 28 miles on a single charge. It features shock absorbers paired with 9-inch pneumatic tires to keep you cushioned on the road, and you'll have no trouble controlling the electric and mechanical brakes, giving you more stability and safety. On top of it all, this electric scooter's aerospace-grade aluminum alloy body makes it lightweight and just 36.2 pounds. Just keep in mind that there is some assembly required when this scooter arrives, which can be a bit frustrating. And when you're using the high-tech brakes on a ride, note that they're really better at slowing you down rather than instantly stopping you. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is MEGAWHEELS electric scooter. Most electric scooters have a weight limit of 220 pounds, but this electric scooter gives you more versatility with a higher capacity. This model has a weight capacity of 265 pounds, making it a great choice for heavier or larger adults who need a more supportive scooter. And it doesn't skimp on speed or fun either. The 250-watt brushless motor can deliver a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, and you'll get a riding range of 12 to 17 miles on a single charge thanks to the 7.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. Additionally, you'll have no problem tackling all kinds of roads thanks to the climbing ability of this scooter. It can handle hills without problem. You can choose from 3 gear settings, and you'll stay safe on the road with both an LED headlight and rear light that illuminate you and your path at night. It even folds up, collapsing for great portability. The only real downside of this electric scooter is it's slightly heavier because it's a bit larger and has a big battery. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.